Let's see how the intensity changes by increasing the amplitude of the signal. So you can see this is the source, analog source, and this is the optical fiber in which electrical signal is going to convert into light form. So you can see here directly in this cable that the intensity will change according to changing the amplitude of the signal. So you can see here the intensity increases when I increase the knob or increase the amplitude voltage, and you can see the amplitude will decrease or intensity of the light will decrease. So we can see here on this kit itself, since the amplitude is minimum, the light is, you can see here, a very fade light is available. When I increase the amplitude slowly, you can see the intensity of the light will increase. You can see I am increasing and it has reached up to maximum.